Hi, this is the presentation of CSYM028 Computer Architecture. My topic is a survey on the studies of security guard technology for memory. This would be my introduction talking about history, which is over the years, like computer technology has been developing quite rapidly and has been widely used in fields such as economy, education, culture, politics, and military affairs, among others. The society has been transformed to another era of information where data is transferred and stored securely than it was before. Despite the development, security has become a problem because of cases such as hacking and theft. Hacking memory is because of confidential information. Therefore, security information stored in the memory has been given a lot of attention. On the next couple of slides, I will discuss about confidentiality and integrity protection, types of threat to memory, and types of memory protection architecture. So this is about confidentiality and integrity protection. Confidentiality protection is used to protect a data. It can be classified into two classifications, which is symmetric cryptography and asymmetric cryptography. What symmetric cryptography does is to use to protect storage and transmission of large data such as block cipher, and therefore it has very high performance. Furthermore, asymmetric cryptography is used for authentication such as a small data transmission of the secret key used for encryption and decryption. Integrity protection can be divided into two, which is message authentication code, which is MAC, and hash tree. Data integrity protection is mainly based on the MAC, which is a special element that appears different for each message. Advantages of the MAC, which is easy to calculate and compare. The disadvantages would be less practical in integrity protection. On the other hand, hash tree is another method of data integrity that can resist the risk of replay attacks, although the formation process is quite long. This is the figure of the memory security model. As you can see, the memory is on the untrusted area. Therefore, it's very easy to get hacked. And this would be the threat to memory. There's three very important hack, which is the bus attack, buffer overflow, and bruise attack. Bus attack can be categorized with spoofing attack, splicing attack, and relay attack. What bus attack, which is using a special hardware tools. An attacker can access the information of the bus and even interfere with the information. Spoofing attack is where the attacker uses the false data blocks to replace the true memory data blocks. Splicing attack is where the attacker replaces the existing block with a duplicate data block. Third types of attack, which is the replay attack, where the attacker replaces the data blocks with historical data. It is also known as the timing replacement. Secondly, buffer overflow. Buffer overflow is an attack that acquires the system control rights, and it is quite difficult to detect. The attacker uses the acquired access to the system to override the command given to the system or access the command given so that the system execute the instructions meant for the attack. The third one is the bruise attack. Basically, the bruise attack is just to guess the right password and the key derivation function to log in. It's also known as exhaustive key search. This I will be talking about memory protection architecture. There's four types of memory protection architecture, which is SZOOM, Aegis, Cerium, and INVMM. What ZOOM is called execute-only memory. It is a framework designed for digital copyright protection. When the ZOOM is running, it restricts access to another compartment. This system is only designed to run a processor. This works towards ensuring the maximum system security. ZOOM incorporates the use of key sharing. It uses KSOM, which is a private key, and KP, which is a public key for encrypting data meant only for the user. KSOM is used to decrypt the software to access the KS meant to decrypt the program for it to run. Secondly, Aegis. Aegis System Protection Framework, which provides two operation modes, namely which is PTR, which provides data confidentiality, and TE, which provides integrity protection and ensures the software can detect data operations, including any trial of an attacker to attack. The third one, Cerium, is a processor which associates benefits of Aegis and ZOOM. It uses software to encrypt instead of hardware. It works by providing a trigger code whenever there's an access operations. The fourth one will be INVMM. INVMM is a non-volatile main memory system with incremental encryption, which encrypts data at different times and ensures that data in the main memory is encrypted always. Lastly, is based on my conclusion is solving the memory security is very crucial because in fact all computer data is stored in the memory, and therefore if the computer is prone to hacking and security problem, the information is at risk of exposure by the attacker. The security guard technology is quite important because it protects the integrity and confidentiality of the data stored, even though it is costly and its execution efficiency is quite low. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.